Welcome to the channel. Today I got 2016 Vauxhall Astra. I done the service. I'm going to show you how to reset oil service light. If you have a steering wheel like this, you need to play with right hand side button. Need to ignition on. Make sure all electrical switch it off, otherwise you ending with the battery problem. Then we need to go with down arrow key. Dismiss first. Dismiss. Press the dismiss mean the press yes button for this one. Press yes. This one also dismiss. Right, you can see oil light 17% remain. What I'm going to do, I'm going to press and hold this right one, middle one, and press and hold it. Beep sound coming. After that you see it's changing to 100%. After that you need to release this button and switch off and start the car. Again going with the dismiss things. Right, you see as it is, oil remain 100%. This is the way we need to reset the oil service light 2016 onward Astras, this steering wheel. Thanks for watching. Make sure before you reset the light, do the service. Thanks for watching again. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. See you with another video.